Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a foldable cat cave bed. If you see it in front right here, they show you guys different ways to actually use it. So there's one way here, and one way like that. And you see the one that we got right here is from this brand. And if you guys turn this way, they provide guys some more specs and features that's on here. But I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So it's all nicely wrapped up. Let's take it out first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So we have 4 buttons on here, and they do have the brand logo in the middle. But once you guys open up, this is what the product looks like. So the inner layer, they actually have this very soft kind of fabric that feels super nice. Whereas the other side actually has like a rougher material. So when you pick it on this side, it is scratch resistant. But does give you guys the option to use on both sides. So one side is more like a warmer side, and the other side is a cooling side. And I love how the product is foldable, so that way you save a lot of space when you guys are not using it. But I'm actually set this up to show you guys how to use it. So what you're gonna do is actually push this part in. And it's gonna do the same thing for all the other ones as well. Alright, so once you guys do that, you guys gonna push in the button together. Alright, so once you guys fully set it up, this is what the product looks like. So this is one way for you guys to use it. You can see it definitely looks pretty cool. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to flip it the other way, you definitely can as well. But when you guys use it this side, it'll feel a lot better because of the fur material that's inside. But this is definitely one way for you guys to use it. And the other way is for you guys to go like this. Just push it this way and then buckle it up. Once you guys set it up, this is what the product looks like in this way. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice. And the very last way is for you guys to not use any buttons. If you guys just push it in like this, that is another way for you to use it. So that way when your pet goes inside, they have so much room to actually go inside to keep themselves really warm and hidden. And then once you guys are done, like I mentioned, you can fold it back up. So just like this, very easily. Alright, so you guys all set. And if you guys notice the inside right here, we do have like a green color. They also have one that's like a white color, white design. So if you guys want the white one, you can get that instead. But I feel like for this green color actually looks pretty nice when you guys actually use it. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me just go test this out to show you guys how it works and when it should work first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let's test it out to see how it works. So this is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. If you see, it definitely looks pretty nice and it is pretty cute. But this is kind of small for a pet. So probably more ideal for you guys to use it for your cats or kitten, etc. Or even for like smaller puppies. Alright, so this is what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. But it works a lot better if you guys have a cat because this is a cat cave bed. So this is what the product looks like on this side. If I turn it around, this is what the back part looks like. Alright, welcome back guys. So when I took a test, the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So obviously like I mentioned earlier, this product is mainly designed for a cat. But if you guys have like a small pet like a puppy or something, you can definitely use it as well. But now to come unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality foldable cat cave bed that has the same design that's on here. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.